Hello, this is Ryan with Pro Trailblazer, and in this video we're going to look at how After Effects can be used in conjunction with ChatGPT. So how can you use ChatGPT to speed up your workflow in After Effects? Something that I was doing this week. So yeah, if you're not familiar with Pro Trailblazer, make sure to like, subscribe, follow. Let's get to it. Let's just hop right in and get to work. What I needed to do was I needed to loop some videos. So I created a little example here. It was just a little loop, and what I needed to do throughout the week was make a lot of different files, ping pong in and out in the background, and have all these different effects that are all timed out and sequenced equally so they all play together well. And I realized that I can use GPT instead of going through things like the Adobe Docs, which are super long. There's a ton of stuff, and it takes more time than the actual animation itself. So what you need to do to modify time in After Effects is you need to select a composition and enable time remapping. This allows you to change how it plays, what it does, whether or not it loops. With what I just did, I just stretched it out so it doesn't disappear. But the actual playing of the video, it doesn't do anything. It needs an expression to know whether to play forwards or backwards or loop or do any of the things that are available. So that's where we're going to use GPT, because I know basically what they do in the past. And if I explain it well, it does too. So I can say I need an expression for AE that does ping pong looping. What is it? So there we go. And now it's going to actually tell me how to use it. But in this case, that's pretty much what I need to know, is I need this loop out ping pong. I'm going to say, from now on, can you just show me the code expressions? There we go. So now moving forward, as I'm working through my project, anytime that I need an expression for anything in the project I'm working on, I can just open up that conversation. I can say I need it to do this, and it will show me. So now if I take a look here, I added that in, and there we go. And it looks like it's playing well. And when it gets to the end, there'll probably be a little jump in terms of it looping well. But I think with this one being as simple as it is, we can just kind of shift it a little bit here. So what we're going to do to make sure it loops even is we're going to go right to the end. And then we're just going to move this over to a point where it starts like the beginning. So right about there. All right, so we've got nothing at the beginning, nothing at the end. And if we play through it again, we should see a seamless transition to the beginning. And there we go. We've got a looping ping pong composition in After Effects. So just keep that in mind. Next time you're doing something in After Effects, you know what you needed to do, you know it's a possibility. You just can't remember exactly what the phrase is. ChatGPT comes in really handy to just kind of get that part of the equation taken care of. So thanks a lot for taking a look. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to Pro Trailblazer. Thanks a lot.